Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Ka pai. How about this one? A tamari e tamariki mā. A tamari e mātua whaitiri. Kia ora. Kia ora tamariki mā. Kia ora mātua whaitiri. Ka pai. Ka mau te wehi, what a fantastic start. Let's get underway with our karakia. If you haven't already, flick those shoes off. Kapa, haka and bare feet. Here we go. Kia hora. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te kārohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Excellent. And now our second run through, continuous. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te kārohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Awesome energy to get started with. Kia ora. Let's have a look at our first warm-up waiata. This is Haka mana para tawanga wha. Let's do it twice. Medium fast. Second time through, super fast. Haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te uenge whe. I hiki mini piri te uenge whi. O komono poro tō ongo who. Hit the vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Kumunu puru tu ungu. Kia ora. Haka ma. Beautiful little song. It has all of our Māori sounds in there. We've got the vowel sounds in there. And if you have a look at the waiata, you'll see that it's the same sequence of consonants. It's just the vowel sound that changes in each line. So if you can recognize the pattern, you'll find this song so much easier. So let's try to bring it up into a higher key. Haka mana para toru wha. Haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te uenge whe. I hiki mini piri te uenge whi. O hoko mono poro tō ongo who. A, e, I, o, u. Ukumunu puru tu ungu. Mauri ora. Here we go. Paki, paki, toru wha. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. Epeke, tamariki ma. Epeke, tamariki ma. E moi, tamariki ma. E moi, tamariki ma. E oho koutou. Morena.
Get out of the washing.
Pake ke mai o mati mati. I'll sing, you sing, but we do the actions together. Are you ready?
Pakeke mai o mati mati.
Pakeke mai o mati mati.
Wai wai whiua ki te taha.
Wai wai whiua ki te taha.
Takahuri ko wiri wiri.
Takahuri ko wiri wiri.
Kani tati nana. Kani tati nana. Hey ha. Hey ha. Hey ha. Paki paki. Kia ora. Do you like that one? Yeah, me too. I remember doing this one at Terrasen School in Palmerston North all those millions and millions of years ago. Yeah. Mrs. Warner was my teacher. Kia ora. Alright, here we go. Mahunga pakahiwi. Are you ready? Good. Let's do it together. Toru fa. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Taringa whatu I hua hae. Kia ora. Let's have a look at this waiata.
Let's take out pakahiwi, puku, and hope, the three in the middle. And then let's take out whatu and ihu, the two in the middle. Yeah? Are you ready? No pakahiwi, no puku, no hope, no whatu, no ihu.
Toru wha. Mahunga. Wai wai. Mahunga. Wai wai. Mahunga. Wai wai. Taringa. Wahae. Kia ora. Well done. Alright, tamariki mai. Let's have a look at our next waiata. Tahi. Rua. Toru. Wha. Rima. Ono. Fitu. Waru. Iwa. Te kau. Let's go. Toru. Wha. Tahirua toru wha. Rima. Ono. Fitu. Waru. Iwa. Te kau. Iwa. Te kau. Tahirua toru wha. Rima. Ono. Fitu. Waru. Iwa. Te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahirua toru wha. Rima. Ono. Fitu. Waru. Iwa te kau. Iwa te kau.
Tahirua toru wha. Rima ono fitu waru. Iwa te kau. Iwa te kau.
Kapa. Good.
Your counting to 10 in Te Reo Māori is beautiful.
Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tuti. Yeah. Let's have a look at our waiata.
Titiro mai. Tutira. Kapai. One of the habits we're trying to break is tutera. Kapai. Tutera mai ngā iwi. Lazy. Yeah. Let's take pride in our accuracy. Ko riri whānau? Ai, hope.
Toru wha. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia ko tāpatahi, kia ko tahira. Tātou e.
Was that good? Nice. I want to do it one more time, but I want to leave you to the actions while I play the guitar, because Tutira Mai Ngā Iwi is a lovely song, but it's even jazzier and cooler with the raku.
See, already the energy's up. Here we go. Tarupa. Tutira mai ngā iwi. tātou tātou e. Sing it up! Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Mai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia kota patahi, kia kota hira, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Mai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia kota patahi, kia kota hira, tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou purikia kia mo, hi au e hi. Hey, ka pai tamariki ma. That was a lovely rendition of Tūtira mai ngā iwi. And if you were doing the actions, ka pai to you as well. Kia ora. Oh, puria nei. I love this song, I really do. So here we go. We'll have a waiata through with the guitar while I've still got it on, and then we'll go back and have a look at the actions, okay? Toru, wha. Purea nei, e te hau. Oroia, oroia, e te ua, e te ua. Fiti, fitia, e te ra, e te ra. Mahia ake, mohe ake ngā. Horaru raru, makere ana, makere ana, ngā here. How did you get on with Puria nei? Good. All right. Let's break it down one more time. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing, and let's action together. Puria nei, e te hau. Horoia, e te ua. Fiti, fitia, e te ra. Cool, 2 big scoops. Mohe ake ngā. Roll it down. Poraru raru. Double clap. Makere ana ngā here. Kapai. Good. Can we do it together? Yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea. Here we go. Kiraro. Hop it. Kiraro. Hop it. Kiraro. It's our waiting position. Hop it. We're ready to go. Toru wha. Purea nei. E te hau. Horoia. Horoia. E te ua. Fiti fiti. Fiti fitia. E te ra. Mahia ake. Mahe ake ngā. Poraruraru. Poraruraru. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngā here. Makere ana. Ngā here. Hoppe. Hey. Good. Good finish too. I like that nice strong he at the end. That was good. Ka pai. What's next on our waiata list this morning is pūrere hua. Let's leave the first verse and just quickly recap the second verse. After me. Ka tau. Runga pua wai. Ka whānau hua. Ka whānau hua. Apurere hua. Apurere hua. Ka tahi, ka rua, ka toru, ka whā. Ka tahi, ka rua, ka toru, ka whā. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. Then we go back to pūrere hua. Ko rere koutou, are you ready? Alright, let me leave those words up there, because we already know pūrere hua, eh? Yeah, we know it all real good. Here we go. Ki raro, hope, toru whā. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parirau, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papa ki parirau, rere runga hau. Ka tau runga pua wai. Ka whānau hua, a pūrere hua. Ka tahi, ka rua, ka toru, ka whā. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. Ano, pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parirau, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papa ki parirau, rere runga hau. Yeah, I know you like that song. I already know. So here we go. Karanga mai, toru whā. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori. He manu, fia, piwai waka e. How was that one? Yeah, that's right. After this, we go faster. Are you ready though? Cool. If you're joining us like halfway through and you haven't learnt karanga mai just yet, that's all good. What you can do though is follow us through with the actions because we're about to go super fast. Kua riri koutou, are you ready? Me timata. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori. He manu, fia, piwai waka e. Whew, catch my breath after that one. Fooey. Let's just chuck a little country music in there with a fooey. Here we go, Tihei Mauri ora. I know that you love Tihei Mauri ora because I love it too. Otherwise I wouldn't teach it, right? Yeah, that's right. So here we go. Tihei Mauri ora today. Let's just sing it twice. If you can remember some of the actions, ka pai. If you're just picking up Tihei Mauri ora for the first time, now's a great chance just to have a listen to it, yeah? We're going to sing it through twice. If you can action at home, ka pai. If not, let's just sing the waiata and enjoy it, yeah? Here we go. How's that key for you? Is that a yeah, good key? Okay, let's try it. Tihei toru whā, Tihei Mauri ora, Tihei Mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia orara. Tihei Mauri ora, Hey! Mauri ora ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia, tua ke manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora tahua taruka, hia wehi. Kia ora, ka pai wana, ka pai. Here we go. Into Rona. Today's lesson might seem like we're zooming through a whole bunch of stuff. And if you are kind of just joining us, maybe halfway through or just joining us, yeah, we are kind of just rushing through today. What I'd hope to do today is just to try and get through as much as we can, Kapa, in our half an hour time slot. So, Rona, again, let's just sing it once with the guitar, and then a second time we'll do the actions. But if you can action already, by all means, help yourself to some actions. We'll drop the key, fights, drop the key. That's better. Tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri uri tū ake au. Titiro ki te atarau kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kei he arona. Ke rotora, piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngai o auera. He rona e, rona e. Here we go. Actions. Get out up. We're waiting. Hop it. We're ready to go. Get out up. We're waiting. Hop it. We're ready to go. Tore wha. Tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri uri tū ake au. Titiro ki te atarau kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kai he arona. Kei rungara. Piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngai o auera. E rona e, big finish. Auera na katahi karua, auehi. It's a good one, eh? Beautiful story. I'll tell you what, tomorrow, let me tell you the story of Rona. Hey? Kapa, you remind me though. But if I did it, don't forget to teach Rona the story. Oh, yep. Killed up. Whew. Haka time. Are you Haka ready? Good. Good. Let's do 2 Haka today. Yeah? Let's do 1. I'll go, you go, I'll go, you go. And then we'll hit it a second time. Whoa. 100 cement. Okay? Here we go. First one though, I'm just going to warm up into it. Yeah, I'm just going to stretch myself into it and I'm going to save my energy for the second one. So after me. He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia, kia maia, kia maia. He toa, he toa. He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia. Kia maia, kia maia. He kakano, he kakano. Rui a mai, rui a mai. Irangi a tea, irangi a tea. Hey! Kapai, kapai. Titaha, titaha. Uhia, 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 uhia. Teka ha, teka ha, teka ha, teka ha. Uhia, 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 uhia. Teka ha, teka ha, teka ha, teka. Kia tu. Rangatira, kia tu rangatira, Moa popo. Moa popo. Awe hui. All right. We have 3 Haka rules. Strong face. Strong voice. And strong actions. Oh yeah. 3 Haka rules to keep our Haka nice and safe. Keep it nice and strong. Strong face, strong voice, strong actions. You ready? Yeah, of course you are. You've been waiting for this all week, haven't you? And finally, here it is, your chance to Haka. Kita Haka. Kapa. Tita ha. Tita ha. Tita ha. Heto. 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 Kamaya. Kamaya. Heto. Heto. Kamaya. Kamaya. Hekakano. Ruiamai. Iramiate. Papa Tita ha. Tita ha. Tita ha. Uhia. Teka ha. Teka ha. Uhia. Teka ha. Teka ha. Katu. Rangatira. Mopopo. Awe. Kiraro. Ha kiroto. Ha kiwaho. Ha kiroto. Ha kiwaho. Mauri ora. That haka, heto, heto, kia maya is a haka for our young people. To encourage our young people, strive for success, to strive for their identity, and to grasp and hold on to all the tools and knowledge and skills that our young people need to be our leaders of tomorrow. Kia tū, to stand rangatira as leaders, oa popo, of tomorrow. Kapa. Let's take a break from the intensity of that haka and let's switch back into the enjoyment now of our poi. I'll give you 7 seconds to get your poi. Oh,
11:30 now.
11:30 now. Kapa. You know what? Because the blue might be non-visible against my colour of my tiati, why don't I go with red and black today? Kapa. Let's have a quick look at our poi. We have the upoko or the mahunga. Yeah, the head of the poi. Then the binding through here, te kaki, the neck of the poi. The tinana, where we hold the poi. And at the bottom we have the fiore. And the fiore is not a handle. That's not for holding on to. Kapai, here we go. Holding the poi in the hand that you write with. Let's come back into hope. Poi karite. This is where you get your poi ready. You want to aim to have a length of about shoulder width or less. If your poi is all the way out here, then wrap it up until you get nice and comfortable. Kapai. Let's go with erere taku poi. Toru fa. Erere taku poi kirunga, kirunga. Erere taku poi kiraro, kiraro. Erere runga, erere raro, erere roto, erere waho. Erere taku poi kirunga, kiraro, kiroto, kiwaho e. Kapai. Poi poi e, We learnt this one a couple of days ago. Poi poi yeah, poi poi yeah. Don't forget to smile. Poi poi yeah, poi poi yeah. Poi poi yeah. Ti patu patu my triple up. Ti patu my. Ti patu my. Ti patu my. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Poi kiraro. Poi whakahoki. Ako kamo. Just joking. It's not that intense. So here we go. Start off with our combinations. You got your Haka ready? Yeah, they're ready, but hurry up and start already. Okay, here we go. Boom, ch, toru, fa. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Kapa. Boom, chick, bop, bop, bop. Boom, chick, bop, bop, bop. Toru, fa. Come on. Boom, chick, down, down, down. Boom, chick, down, down, down. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, bop, bop, bop. 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 Come on. Boom, chick, shake your right. Boom, chick, shake your left. Boom, chick, shake your right. Boom, chick, shake your left. Boom, chick, shake the right. Boom, chick, shake the left. Boom, chick, shake the right. Boom, chick, shake the left. Beautiful. Let's go now with... Just gotta hit my baby in through the door. So let's go boom, chick, flip the right, and then flip the left straight away. Yeah? Toru, fa. Boom, chick, right, left. Boom, chick, right, left. Boom, chick, right, left. Boom, chick, right, left. If you are just joining us for the first time and you find the flip a little hard, you can just shake, shake. You can just shake, shake. Boom, chick, right, left. Boom, chick, right, left. Kapa. You ready to work with your partner? If you don't have a partner, I'll be your virtual partner today. Kapa. Are you ready? You got your right hand ready? Let's go. Am I too close to the screen, babe?
No, good.
Good. Here we go.
One step back.
Boom.
Sorry, yeah.
Boom, chick, right. Boom, chick, left. Boom, chick, right. Boom, chick, touch the left. Boom, chick, touch the right. Boom, chick, touch the left. Boom, chick, touch the right. Boom, chick, touch the left. Kia ora. Would you like to take that now into a throw? Good. Please don't throw your rako at the TV if you're doing a virtual throw, yeah? Just go like that. Kapa. Here we go. Boom, chick, throw the right. Boom, chick, throw the left. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, right. Boom, chick, left. Boom, chick, right. If you've got a partner, you should be doing it with your partner. Everyone wants to be matawhai to his partner today. One more. Great. Can we take that a little bit further now? With the boom, chick, throw right, throw left, straight after.
Yeah, no.
Boom, chick, throw the right, throw the left. Give it a go. Toru fa. Boom, chick, right, left. 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 Kia ora. What's next? That's right, the inside-outside throw. So if you're throwing virtual with me today, I'm going to be throwing my rako on the inside. Kapa? And you're going to throw yours on the outside. How's this going to work? We'll figure it out together. You ready? Inside-outside throw if you have a partner, or just make up some silly random stuff if you don't. Toru, fa. Boom, chick. 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 Kia ora. So now you have your moves down. If you want to continue with a little bit more rako for today, that's absolutely fine. If you need a refresher, I will have yesterday's session up on YouTube very shortly. Kapa? There's a little bit of a technical issue that we had with that one yesterday, but it will be up very soon. Any questions, pop them in the comments. Thank you so much for coming out today. This was our 10th. And you know what? Let's go overtime. Look at my producer in the background. She's going, as you go.
I'm not going like that.
You go too long. So here we go. Let's finish today with the takahia paki. Do you remember from the other day? Okay then, let's recap it. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki, pow pow paki, pow pow, te piti piti paki, te piti piti. Kapai. Let's throw that one together. Toru fa. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki, pow pow paki. Te piti piti paki. Takahia paki. Te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki. Te piti piti. So our first move today is going to be pow pow. Kapai. Our second move today, what do you think, young people? What should we do for our second move? A what? What's a floss? Oh, you want to floss on the second? Okay, well, I'll try. Here we go. Toru fa. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki, te piti piti paki. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Floss floss paki, te piti piti paki. Was that it? Was that a floss? Not really? Okay. Here we go then. Number 3, we're going to whip. And number 4, we're going to nay-nay. Kapai, I'm taking you back to the old school. How old? Well, like Gangnam Style old, really, isn't it? It's about that old, eh? Yeah. Samara's in the back. She's going, I remember that when I was young. Here we go. That was a while ago. Toru fa. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki, te piti piti paki. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Floss floss paki, te piti piti paki. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Watch me whip. Paki, te piti piti paki. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Nay nay paki, te piti piti. Kapai? You got it? Pow pow. Floss. Whip. Nay nay. Kapai. Medium fast. And then the third one, our last one for the day, will be the super fast. Okay? Here we go. You ready? You're not ready? Well, get yourself ready then. There we go. Now we're ready. Tore fa. Takahia paki, te piti piti paki. Ki te pow pow paki, te piti piti paki.
Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te floss floss paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te wet paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te nei paki te piti piti paki. Whew. That's fast, eh? I can get faster though. Last one for the day. 10th episode anniversary. Finishing on a high. Let's give a heaps of energy, whānau. Haka, haka. Here we go. Kiraro. Hope, super fast. Keep up. Toru, wha. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te pau pau paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te floss floss paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te wet paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te nei paki te piti piti paki. Woo! I know, right? Give it a free! Oh, yeah, right. I want to thank you guys for coming out. 10 episodes you guys have been supporting us. We've got this core group of followers that just keep tuning in episode after episode. And it's absolutely my privilege and it's absolutely our pleasure to bring it to you. And we're going to go Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. for as long as the lockdown goes for, Kapa. So if you're in isolation and we're in isolation, Monday to Friday, we're going to be here doing Kapa Haka, yeah, 11 a.m. Thank you so much for coming out. Kia pai tō koutou rā, have a lovely day. From my whānau to your whānau, mauri ora.